Imagine you're standing in the kitchen, dough sticking to your fingers, the oven smoking, and the sauce clumping, all without expensive machines that just gather dust. Our dear grandma always had a clever hack ready for such problems. With her wisdom from old times, she developed 30 methods that put any kitchen appliance in the shade. They're faster, cheaper, and make the food even tastier, and all without electricity. You'll be amazed why you didn't know this sooner. Subscribe to our channel, activate the bell, and let's get started. Smooth potatoes with vinegar. Grandma often had trouble when the potatoes in the pot became rough and brittle. The skins clung stubbornly, and expensive peeling machines caused more damage than help. The work was a pain, but Grandma knew a solution. She added a splash of vinegar to the boiling water, let the potatoes cook and cool. Afterward, the skins slid off by themselves, and the tubers shimmered smooth and fresh. The kitchen filled with a wonderful aroma, as if the vinegar had driven away all the roughness. Grandma smiled contentedly, because this simple hack saved her effort and outperformed any expensive machine, a proof of her clever, sustainable wisdom. Firm up dough with salt. Grandma often told how her dough used to fall apart and become crumbly, even though she tried expensive mixers. The bread stayed flat, and a firm structure was a dream. But she found a solution. She sprinkled some salt into the flour, kneaded the dough patiently, and let it rest. Soon the dough became elastic, the bread rose nicely, and a hearty aroma wafted through the kitchen. The salt had defeated the weakness, and Grandma was happy about this cost-effective hack. It was better than any expensive machine and showed how clever and practical her old methods were. Sharpen onions with salt. Grandma noticed that her onions lost sharpness on the board and tasted bland, while expensive cutting devices remained dull. The cuts became imprecise, and the aroma was missing. Then she had an idea. She sprinkled salt over the onions, let it soak in, and then cut them. Suddenly, the sharpness and a strong aroma returned, and the kitchen filled with a spicy scent. Grandma was delighted because the salt had defeated the dullness. This simple, inexpensive hack outperformed expensive devices and proved her clever wisdom from old times. Make sauces shine with milk. Grandma got annoyed when her sauces looked dull and clumped, even though expensive mixers didn't save them. The consistency stayed thin, the flavor flat, and a creamy shine was a wishful dream. But she had a plan. She added a splash of milk, stirred gently, and let the sauce simmer. Soon it shone beautifully. The aromas came to the fore, and the kitchen radiated warmth. Grandma smiled because the milk had defeated the cloudiness. This sustainable hack was better than expensive machines and a proof of her practical cleverness. Tenderize meat with honey. Grandma knew how tough and dry meat became in her pan. Despite expensive tenderizers that did nothing, the fibers stayed hard, the flavor empty, and a tender experience was far away. Then she had an idea. She drizzled honey over the meat, let it marinate, and fried it slowly. The meat became tender, the juices flowed, and a warm aroma wafted through the kitchen. Grandma was delighted because the honey had defeated the toughness. This simple hack outperformed expensive products and showed her clever, natural wisdom. Season soups with cinnamon. Grandma found that her soups often tasted bland, even though expensive spice mixes disappointed. The broth stayed thin, the aroma weak, and a spicy character was a wish. She grated some cinnamon in, let the soup steep, and stirred it. Soon it became deep in flavor, a warm aroma filled the kitchen, and the soup gained character. Grandma was content because the cinnamon had defeated the flatness. This cost-effective hack was better than expensive mixes and a sign of her clever tradition. Loosen rice with oil. Grandma got annoyed when the rice in her pot stuck and clumped, even though expensive anti-stick agents failed. The meal became heavy, the flavor dull, and a light structure a dream. She drizzled some oil into the cooking water, stirred once, and covered the pot. The rice became fluffy, the grains shone, and the kitchen felt light, as if the oil had driven away the sticking. Grandma smiled because this simple hack saved her effort and outperformed expensive agents with natural wisdom. Raise dough with sugar. Grandma told how her dough used to stay flat and sink, even though expensive yeasts were unreliable. The crumb became dense, the flavor pale, and an airy structure a wish. She mixed sugar into the flour, kneaded the dough, and let it rise. The dough became airy, the crumb lifted, and a sweet aroma wafted through the kitchen, as if sugar had defeated the density. Grandma was delighted because this cost-effective hack was better than expensive yeasts and showed her clever craftsmanship. Cook vegetables with milk. Grandma noticed that her vegetables stayed hard in the pot, even though expensive steamers were superfluous. The pieces were tough, the flavor raw, and a tender consistency a dream. She poured milk into the cooking water, let the vegetables gently cook and steep. They became tender, the aroma full, and the kitchen filled with warmth as if the milk had defeated the hardness. Grandma was happy because this simple hack saved her expensive devices and proved her sustainable wisdom. Smooth caramel with butter. Grandma got annoyed when her caramel became grainy and stuck, even though expensive smoothers failed. The mass clumped, the flavor uneven, and a velvety consistency a wish. She stirred in butter, heated it slowly, and let it melt. The caramel became silky, the flavor harmonious, and the kitchen smelled sweet, as if butter had defeated the graininess. Grandma smiled because this natural hack was better than expensive products and a sign of her clever experience. Fry meat with onions. Grandma knew how quickly meat dried out in her pan, even though expensive roasters were impractical. The pieces became dry, the flavor flat, and a juicy texture a dream. She placed onions under the meat and fried it slowly. The meat stayed juicy, the aroma deep, and the kitchen filled with spice, as if the onions had driven away the dryness. Grandma was delighted because this simple hack outperformed expensive devices and showed her practical wisdom. Thicken soups with bread. Grandma found that her soups were often too thin and watery, even though expensive binders seemed unnatural. The broth stayed light, the flavor weak, and a creamy consistency a wish. She grated old bread fine, stirred it into the soup, and let it simmer. The soup became creamy, the aroma full, and the kitchen filled with warmth, as if the bread had defeated the wateriness. Grandma was content because this cost-effective hack was better than expensive agents and a proof of her clever art. Cook fish with lemon slice. Grandma noticed that her fish became dry in the pot, even though expensive steam devices were superfluous. The flesh stayed hard, the flavor pale, and a tender texture a dream. She placed a lemon slice on the fish and steamed it gently. The fish became tender, the aroma fresh, and the kitchen felt light, as if the lemon had driven away the dryness. Grandma smiled because this simple hack saved expensive devices and showed her natural cleverness. Color cakes with saffron. Grandma got annoyed when her cake came out pale from the oven, even though expensive dyes were artificial. The crumb stayed light, the flavor monotonous, and a golden shimmer a wish. She grated saffron fine, mixed it into the dough, and baked it. The cake became golden, the flavor exotic, and the kitchen filled with warmth, as if saffron had defeated the paleness. Grandma was delighted because this natural hack was better than expensive dyes and a sign of her wise experience. Protect vegetables with oil. Grandma saw how her vegetables wilted quickly, even though expensive preservers were unnecessary. The pieces became mushy, the flavor weak, and a crisp texture a dream. She drizzled oil over the vegetables and fried them lightly. The vegetables stayed crisp, the aroma full, and the kitchen shone with freshness, as if the oil had driven away the wilting. Grandma was happy because this simple hack saved expensive agents and proved her practical wisdom. Season dough with herbs. Grandma noticed that her dough was flavorless, even though expensive spice mixes seemed unnatural. The crumb stayed pale, the flavor flat, and a spicy character a wish. She grated herbs fine, mixed them into the dough, and kneaded it. The dough became aromatic, the crumb fragrant, and the kitchen filled with spice, as if the herbs had defeated the flatness. Grandma smiled because this cost-effective hack was better than expensive mixes and a proof of her clever art. Thin sauces with water. Grandma found that her sauces became too thick, even though expensive thinners were impractical. The consistency stayed viscous, the flavor overwhelming, and a flowing texture a dream. She poured in water, stirred gently, and let the sauce simmer. The sauce became light, the aromas balanced, and the kitchen felt fresh, as if water had driven away the viscosity. Grandma was delighted because this simple hack saved expensive products and showed her natural cleverness. Bake cakes with oven thermometer. Grandma got annoyed when her cake baked unevenly, even though expensive baking devices were inaccurate. The crumb became hard, the flavor variable, and perfect heat a wish. She placed an oven thermometer inside, adjusted the temperature, and baked slowly. The cake became even, the crumb soft, and the kitchen smelled fragrant, as if the thermometer had defeated the unevenness. Grandma was content, because this precise hack was better than expensive devices and a sign of her wise experience. Color vegetables with turmeric. Grandma saw that her vegetables stayed pale, even though expensive dyes were artificial. The pieces remained light, the flavor monotonous, and a golden shimmer a dream. She grated turmeric fine, mixed it into the vegetables, and fried them lightly. The vegetables became golden, the aroma warm, and the kitchen shone, as if turmeric had defeated the paleness. Grandma smiled because this natural hack was better than expensive dyes and proved her clever tradition. Seasoned fish with dill. Grandma noticed that her fish tasted bland, even though expensive spices were unnatural. The flesh stayed dry, the flavor weak, and a spicy character a wish. She grated dill fine, placed it on the fish, and steamed it. The fish became aromatic, the flesh juicy, and the kitchen fresh, as if dill had defeated the flatness. Grandma was delighted, because this simple hack outperformed expensive spices and showed her practical wisdom. Tenderize meat with beer. Grandma knew how tough meat became in her pan, even though expensive marinades were impractical. The fibers dried out, the flavor flat, and a tender texture a dream. She poured beer over the meat, let it marinate, and fried it slowly. The meat became tender, the juices flowed, and the kitchen spicy, as if beer had defeated the toughness. Grandma was happy because this cost-effective hack was better than expensive marinades and a proof of her clever art. Sweetened sauces with honey. Grandma found that her sauces tasted bitter, even though expensive sweeteners were unnatural. The flavor was sharp, the aroma uneven, and a gentle shimmer a wish. She stirred in honey, let the sauce steep, and stirred gently. The sauce became mild, the aromas harmonious, and the kitchen warm, as if honey had defeated the sharpness. Grandma smiled because this natural hack outperformed expensive sweeteners and showed her clever wisdom. Loosen cakes with baking powder. Grandma got annoyed when her cake became heavy, even though expensive leaveners were inaccurate. The crumbs stayed dense, the flavor flat, and an airy structure a dream. She mixed baking powder into the dough, stirred, and baked slowly. The cake became airy, the crumb light, and the kitchen fragrant, as if baking powder had defeated the density. Grandma was delighted because this simple hack was better than expensive products and a sign of her wise experience. Smooth soups with cream. Grandma saw that her soups clumped, even though expensive mixers failed. The broth stayed rough, the flavor uneven, and a creamy consistency a wish. She stirred in cream, let the soup gently simmer and steep. The soup became creamy, the aroma full, and the kitchen warm, as if cream had defeated the roughness. Grandma was content because this natural hack outperformed expensive devices and proved her practical cleverness. Steam vegetables with herbs. Grandma noticed that her vegetables became dry, even though expensive steam devices were superfluous. The pieces stayed hard, the flavor flat, and a tender consistency a dream. She placed herbs under the vegetables and steamed them gently. The vegetables became tender, the aroma full, and the kitchen fresh, as if the herbs had driven away the dryness. Grandma smiled because this simple hack saved expensive devices and showed her natural wisdom. Season meat with garlic. Grandma found that her meat tasted bland, even though expensive spices were unnatural. The fibers stayed dry, the flavor weak, and a spicy character a wish. She grated garlic fine, placed it on the meat, and fried it slowly. The meat became aromatic, the juices flowed, and the kitchen spicy, as if garlic had defeated the flatness. Grandma was delighted because this cost-effective hack was better than expensive spices and a proof of her clever art. Thicken sauces with flour. Grandma saw that her sauces stayed thin, even though expensive binders were unnatural. The broth was light, the flavor weak, and a creamy consistency a dream. She mixed flour with water, poured it into the sauce, and stirred until it became creamy. The sauce gained volume, the aroma intensified, and the kitchen warm, as if flour had defeated the wateriness. Grandma was happy because this simple hack outperformed expensive agents and showed her clever tradition. Sweeten cakes with maple syrup. Grandma noticed that her cake tasted bitter, even though expensive sweeteners were unnatural. The crumbs stayed dry, the flavor sharp, and a gentle sweetness a wish. She drizzled maple syrup into the dough, stirred, and baked it. The cake became mild, the aroma warm, and the kitchen sweet, as if syrup had defeated the sharpness. Grandma smiled because this natural hack was better than expensive sweeteners and a sign of her wise experience. Flavor broth with bay leaf. Grandma found that her broth tasted flat, even though expensive spice mixes disappointed. The liquid stayed pale, the flavor weak, and a spicy character a dream. She placed a bay leaf in, let it simmer, and stirred. The broth became deep, the aroma spicy, and the kitchen aromatic, as if bay leaf had defeated the flatness. Grandma was delighted because this cost-effective hack was better than expensive mixes and proved her practical cleverness. Perfume rice with vanilla. Grandma got annoyed when her rice tasted bland, even though expensive flavors were unnatural. The grains stayed dry, the flavor flat, and an exotic character a wish. She grated vanilla fine, mixed it into the cooking water, and let the rice steep. The rice became fragrant, the grains shone, and the kitchen exotic, as if vanilla had defeated the flatness. Grandma was content because this simple hack outperformed expensive flavors and showed her clever wisdom. These 30 hacks show how Grandma's wisdom rules the kitchen. Sustainable, clever, flavorful. Simplicity leads to an easy cooking routine without machines. Test them. Feel the transformation. Did you like the video? Like, share, subscribe to our channel, strengthen our community. See you soon.